You're gonna love the 2021 Ram 1500. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. The Ram 1500 strikes the perfect balance between tough strength and passenger comfort. Its fuel efficiency, impressive towing capacity, and safety features make it your go-to vehicle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, keyless entry, 8-cylinder engine, remote engine start, satellite radio, 4-wheel drive, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera, aluminum wheels. Get the truck that's both strong and comfortable to drive. Get into the Ram 1500.